ATCERA is pioneering the future of ceramic parts production with our breakthrough 3D printing techniques, from fused deposition modeling FDM to direct ink writing DIW. We offer a diverse range of technologies to suit your specific manufacturing needs. Our ability to work with advanced materials like alumina, zirconia, and silicon carbide sets us apart in the industry. Trust ATCERA for reliable, high-quality ceramic parts. Get in touch with us now to learn more about our ceramic 3D printing services.